Start motor here that we've done a small repair on. She was in the vehicle and every time the starter was engaged it was screeching. So the starter was removed and put into a bench vise and tested. And when she was tested in this way, she was growling every time the armature was turned. So when we stripped it down, the culprit was a worn bushing in the starter. So we've since got off, got ourselves a new bushing, put it back in. We're now about to bench test it. So to bench test it, we have it wired up. So you can see there, the live side of the solenoid, we have a wire going from there back down to the live terminal on the battery. There. And on the earth side, we have a wire going from here on the body of the starter going back to the earth side on the battery. So that's our live and earth supplied. Now in order to close the solenoid, we need to feed the trip wire, which lives here. So what we've done is we've got a push to make switch and we've got an inline fuse in it, and one side is connected to the positive terminal of the battery and the other side is connected to the starter. So now we're all set to go, and the one thing that we don't want to do when we're testing it, because the starter isn't under load, we don't want the armature to overspeed. So we're just going to test it now and see if she still makes the same growling noise. So you can see there she's operating perfectly. So that's a repair now, and we just look at the cost of the repair was €6.91. So we have a fully serviceable start motor ready to go back into the vehicle.